The Alienware 17R5's design remains unsurprisingly and amazingly unchanged since its chassis was last overhauled in 2016. Despite approaching its second birthday, Alienware's hinge-forward design is still fresh and unique in the laptop world. At the same time, it's impressive that the 17-inch laptop didn't have to get any thicker to accommodate for the 2 extra processor cores within the system. Rather, Alienware's 17-inch gaming laptop maintains all the same 16.7 by 13.1 by 1.18 inch, 42.4 by 33.2 by 2.99 centimeters, WXDXH, dimensions of 9.74 pound, 4.42 kilograms, weight of last year's R4 model. Of course, this machine is by no means small and light. Its nearly 10-pound weight will wear you out, and its square-shaped proportions makes it awkward to find a suitable laptop bag. It comes loaded with all the luxuries you expect out of Battle Station, including a keyboard with 2.2mm of key travel and tactile responsiveness to make you forget about a mechanical gaming keyboard. Meanwhile, the 2.1 stereo speakers are potent enough to overpower the system's loud fans and give you a surprisingly booming gaming experience even without having to plug in a gaming headset. Last year, we felt that the TBI eye tracking feature to be an excessive add-on, and unfortunately Alienware has decided to directly tie this upgrade to higher-res screen options. So, if you want the same 1440p display as on our review unit or a 4K panel, get used to seeing 2 eye tracking red dots just below it. The most use we got out of the eye tracking module remains to be Assassin's Creed Syndicate, where we can use our eyes as a third thumb for aiming or grappling hook. Otherwise, the TBI integration in other games is usually just neat or nauseating at worst. There are arguably some Windows-level uses for TBI's eye tracking technology, including Windows Hello login and presence detection, telling your laptop to dim the screen or go to sleep when you're not looking at it. However, you'll still get the same presence detection features if you forgo this extra TBI option and just stick with Alienware's stock webcam.